Can AI increase productivity by 40%? Welcome, dear listeners, to another exciting episode of the Ultimate Productivity Hub. I'm your host, Ram Amancha, and today we have an exciting topic to explore. Can AI increase productivity by 40%? With advancements in artificial intelligence, businesses worldwide are looking for innovative ways to boost productivity and stay ahead in the competitive landscape. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become a buzzword in recent years, promising to revolutionize the way we work and improve efficiency across various industries. But can it truly deliver on its potential to increase productivity by whopping 40%? Today, we'll dwell into the question and uncover the possibilities and challenges associated with AI-driven productivity. AI has the remarkable ability to automate repetitive tasks and time-consuming tasks, freeing up valuable time for employees to focus more on complex and creative aspects of their work. By utilizing machine learning algorithms, AI can analyze vast amounts of data, extracting valuable insight that can inform better decision making and optimize processes. Imagine a scenario where AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle routine customer inquiries, leaving human agents to address more complex issues. This delegation of tasks not only saves time but also enhances customer service quality. The potential time and resource saving from integrating AI strategically can lead to significant productivity gains within the organizations. But let's not stop there. AI's impact on productivity goes beyond task automation. In the realm of predictive maintenance, AI can monitor equipment and analyze real-time data to anticipate potential failures. By proactively scheduling maintenance, organizations can prevent unexpected downtime and reduce maintenance cost, resulting in increased productivity and operational efficiency. Another remarkable application of AI lies in the marketing personalization. By leveraging AI to analyze customer behavior and preferences, businesses can deliver highly targeted and relevant content, significantly improving engagement and conversion rate. This personalized approach not only saves marketing resources but also drives overall productivity in marketing campaigns. However, as with any technical advancement, there are challenges to consider. Job displacements is concern often associated with AI implementation. Employees may fear losing their jobs as AI automates certain tasks. To address this concern, organizations must proactively upskill and reskill their workforce, ensuring that employees can adapt to AI-driven changes and take on new roles that implement AI systems. Furthermore, the initial investment required for implementing AI systems can be substantial, and organizations must carefully evaluate the return on investment to ensure it's worthwhile. Ethical considerations surrounding AI, such as data privacy, algorithmic biases, and also need to be handled responsibly. To maximize the productivity gains from AI adoption, organizations must have a clear AI strategy aligned with their business objectives. They need to identify processes and tasks that can be handled through AI automation and provide comprehensive training programs to upskill their employees. Data quality is also crucial, and AI relies on accurate, relevant, and well-organized data to derive meaningful insights. In summary, AI has the potential to increase productivity by 40% or even more. But the success lies in striking the right balance between the automation and human creativity. Organizations that embrace AI with prioritizing a human-centric approach will be able to harness its capabilities effectively and drive sustainable productivity growth. Well, that's all for this particular podcast for today. Our discussion on how AI can increase the productivity by 40%. I hope you found this exploration into the possibilities and challenges of AI-driven productivity insightful. Remember to stay curious and continue exploring the potential of technology in shaping our world. Thank you for tuning in to the Ultimate Productivity Hub. Until next time, this is Ram Amancha signing off. Take care and keep embracing the power of technology to increase your productivity.